What's up YouTube? Welcome to Icy Island, it's your boy Issa here. Today we'll be installing HID bulbs on a 2015 Impala LTZ. It's a pretty simple job for any DIYer. The hardest part about it is just fitting your hand in these small spots to actually get access to the headlights. First things first, I'll be taking off this cover to actually get access to the headlights. And once I've got access to the headlights, I'll be twisting it to actually get it out. And to separate it from its connector, you'll be popping this orange tab up. The way this connector works is it has this orange piece that actually sits in the headlight and locks it in. Once you get the headlight out, it's just time to remove the bracket that holds it into place. And to remove it, you just gotta pop it out. To put it back in, you actually see a slot where it actually goes into place, so you won't get confused. Now we'll be putting everything back together. First things first, put the connector back on. Then we'll be fitting the headlight back into its housing. You gotta twist it to make sure it locks in. And then we'll be putting the headlight cover back in just to protect it from any moisture. Alright, next we'll be hopping to the driver's side. It's a lot more tight fit, so maneuvering the bulb in and out is gonna be a little bit of a challenge. I hope today's video helped you guys out. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, feel free to leave your thoughts down below.